Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode from the Multi-Tools and Blades channel. Today I have a little interesting knife here from Spyderco. This is called the Domino. It has a beautifully patterned carbon fibre scale on one side, which we'll talk about a little bit more detail later. This does have a usable Spydey hole that you can open in the traditional way. If there are any Spydey nuts here watching that can recognise that profile, it's the same as a Manix 2, one of the Spyderco's most popular knives. Of course though, with the Manix you don't get the additional way of opening this knife, which is with the flipper. And as you can expect with Spyderco, we have perfect ergonomics. Great jimping on the thumb there, a nice choil so you can choke up on it, necessary for doing that little tiny fine work. The blade steel is made from Carpenter Technology's XHP steel, which is Carpenter's powder metallurgy steel equivalent of S30V. And that sits up against the titanium reeve integral lock that has a stainless steel inlay. So there's no need to worry about the blade wearing out the titanium lock. On the show side, we've talked about that carbon fibre pattern that's actually a laminate with G10. So not only does it look nice, but it's really strong as well. Not that it needs to be, because if we take a look inside, you'll see that there's a full titanium liner behind that G10 anyway. Not a huge fan of reeve integral locks, but they do look nice, don't they? Yeah, keep your eye out for one of these if you see one pop up on eBay cheap. Oh, well, I've wasted enough of your time, and no, you can't have those 2 minutes back. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave me any comments if you want, and catch you next time. Uru!